Assalamualaikum and good day. Today we will present about data structure and algorithm. Okay, this is our group member. My name is Muhammad Saifuddin. We start our presentation of main CPP. Okay, this is the main CPP, the program that we can insert mark, delete, display, total mark, average, and exit the program. Okay, we use switch statement to execute the corresponding operation. So the case one, user that allow to insert mark less than or equal to 100. If not, we show error message. It's called insert mark. It's called the insert mark method of the mark object. For the case 2, user can delete mark and that we call the delete mark index. So the case 3, we use display mark that user can display all the mark that they are insert. For the case 4, user can know the total of the marks all the mark that they are insert. So for the case 5, user can know the average of the total that they are insert the first step. For the sixth case, the user can exit the program if they are not use the program. So I will pass to the Nazrul Iskandar to continue for the mark header.
So for header, we got two data member, so which is private and public. So private data member consists of marks.h header, and for private data, we got 6. So the first thing is marks, insert marks, delete marks, total, average, and display mark. So each 6 has different functions for this coding. So the preprocessor directive in-depth marks and define marks are used to prevent multiples inclusion of this header file in the program. If the marks .h constant is not defined, the code between them will be compiled. Otherwise, it will be ignored. So NDA used to end the header file. So next, I pass to Shazwan, Hazmi.
Alright, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shazwan Hazmi bin Shamsin. I will explain mark.cppp. This code is defined as a class called marks that can be used to store and manipulate a set of marks in integer. The class has several member functions. Alright, the first one is the construct function marks initialize an instance of the class and set of count variable. Insert mark function allows the user insert the new mark. The delete mark function is delete a mark. The total if function is total of the marks in the array. The average function is calculates the average of the mark in the array and display it. And the display marks is function display all the marks in the array. This program also includes two additional header, iostream and marks.h, which mean that's have that's all for me. Thank you. I will pass to Roobakkanthan to explain about the output.
Good day, sir. My name is Roobakkanthan, son of Jaibalan. I would like to present about the output. Firstly, we enter the mark, and second mark, third mark, fourth mark, and the final one. Okay, if we enter the value more than 100, let's say for the final, if we add the mark above than 100, let's say that 200, the mark will be invalid. So our mark should be in range of 0 to 100. Okay. This is the entered mark. Okay. Let's say we want to delete the mark. I want to delete the 40 mark. So our array is second array. Okay, already delete. Insert back to 50. Then display. Okay. The new value already added. As for the total marks, is 270. And for the average mark is 54. Okay, if we want to close, just press 6 to exit the program. Okay, as for the choice, except from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's say we press A, it will be invalid choice. So you should enter the given choice only. That's all from me. So next presenter will be Nurul Rabiatul.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Rabiatul Adawiyah binti Farooq Fahmi with metric number B0821102554. So I'm going to talk about the discussion. OOP stands for Object-Oriented Programming. OOP is about creating objects that contain both data and functions. It is easy to maintain the code with the help of classes and objects. Object-oriented programming mainly focuses on objects that are required to be manipulated. An array in C++ or any programming language is the collection of comparable data objects stored in contiguous memory regions, and components in an array can be retrieved randomly using arrayInD. They may be used to hold a collection of primitive data types of any kind, such as integer, float, double, char, and so on. Furthermore, an array in C++ may hold derived data types such as structures, pointers, and so on. Next, we are going to the conclusion. For the conclusion, in a nutshell, we were able to design the executable C++ program to execute the insertion and deletion algorithm in student smart key in process by using OOP programming the approach with class implementation. As our data structure type, we were capable to apply array. So that's all from our group. Thank you.